At Phenix, we enable real-time video experiences, streaming video glass to glass in less than half a second. We cover markets from sports, auctions, gambling, fan engagement, anything that requires interactivity. This will be building blocks of what's ultimately become the metaverse. The unique challenges that we have to solve for, we call it the Iron Triangle. It's about latency, quality, and scale. We need to be able to scale to large audiences. And to do that in an efficient way, we need to be able to do that dynamically in the cloud. And so one of the key services that Oracle provides is the compute infrastructure across the globe in all the regions with good networking connectivity in the local market that allows us to scale horizontally by connecting users to the closest data center where they are. The original implementation, when we migrated, we saw like a 30% improvement in performance by switching to the instance that were available back then, as well as reducing our cost of goods sold. So overall, we got over a 60% improvement by implementing the change. That enabled us to stay competitive and enter new markets where we were not cost competitive before against other options that were available in that market. Secondly, in terms of the user experience, we track a lot of quality of experience metrics for every session, every user, to understand that they're actually getting the best possible experience that they should, and allow our technology to be optimized. Working with Oracle enables us to grow our business.